Right, so we're back to finish off preparing to tile this shower area that had failed. We've started, well, firstly we've strengthened the shower base so there's no more movement. Obviously they've wanted to keep their existing stuff because it's going to be too much expense to replace shower tray, shower screen and things, so we've cleaned them up. Well, we're going to finish cleaning them up properly. Boarded it, strengthened it, and then now we're fixing the what's called the baseboard. Other brands, I mean the original brand was Weddy, there's Jackerboard, there's Tile Master Maker board. So this is baseboard, this is the product we supply, that we install. Fully waterproof, we'll be tanking the joints, we'll be tanking around where the pipes come out, so it's completely watertight beyond where the plumbing's exposed. And yeah, you can see it there, it's a foam backer board, nice and light, easy to use, easy to cut, really strong, really rigid. You can see there's no bend in it, so good product. And yeah, we'll get this on and I'll show you how it should look prior to the tanking the joints and all the rest of it. So you can see we've got it all boarded out now with the baseboards. It's going to time to tank it. I'll do a quick close-up as to how we want it to be, but essentially now we're going to seal in the base of the tray with silicone. We're going to use this tanking tape with the tanking kit which we brush on. Get a little tool like this to square it into edges, nice and easy. Even though you can see we've got glue coming out of all these joints because I've glued the edges, glue them to the stud work, screw as well, so glue and screw to really get double contact, like I say, in all the joints. So even without the tanking, there wouldn't be anything really getting through here, but this stuff is just to make sure the baseboards are waterproof, so we'll be good to go. So as you can see, unlike before where we had gaps at the bottom, even before we've sealed this in, even before we've tanked it, it's all nice and tight, it's glued and screwed. We're going to have to get a bit more silicone cleaner to get the old silicone off this tray, obviously for the customer, that's no problem. But yeah, as you can see, all boarded, all looking good. That's where I glued wrong side of board. Mistakes happen, we all make them. But yeah, it's going to be a much better job. So we've done the tanking, everything's dry now, ready to go. The tray's sealed in, the tray's solid. The walls are completely waterproof now. We've got the board on, we've got the tanking kit, the joints were glued, it's glued to the timbers behind, it's screwed as well. So really solid, really waterproof, ready to tile. This is what you want to see before you've started tiling. If you're a DIYer, you know, get the materials, get the right materials, talk to someone. You can talk to us at IT Tiles, talk to the Trade Tile Association. You know, there's a lot of people who'll speak to you and do your consultation. If you're having a project done on your own house, educate yourself, check what your contractor should be doing, because at the end of the day, if they don't do it right and they clear off, like this job, it's you that's going to be lumped with putting it right. So that bit of time and, you know, maybe a little bit more expense, but you know, things like tanking kits, you could do that yourself if the contractor's charging too much to do it. So anyone looking to do any work like this, it needs to be done right first time. The preparation of the substrate is the key. Get that right, and then you can make your tiles look beautiful on top of it and make it look the part. But fundamentally, if you want them to stay on the wall, this bit needs to be correct. So next time we'll talk about doing the tiling, and then we'll move on to some more interesting projects, maybe with bigger areas and floors and different things. So I hope this has been helpful to start with, and yeah, we'll catch you soon. Cheers.